Good morning, everybody. Amy Wood here. We're at the coffee bar. I have my It's Good to Be a Queen cup. I don't know what that means, but hey, we're having a fun time, and I have only one Noah's dad with me. If you're on Twitter, you know Noah Guthrie, who we all just know as Noah, the kid with the amazing voice from the upstate of South Carolina. He has Spartanburg roots and Greer roots and Greenville roots, and so he's just kind of an all-over upstate guy who went viral with his video, you may remember, doing that remake of that Sexy and I Know It song. Who knew?
It's if I had to pick one song that my son is going to be known for, that's probably not the one. No, but we'll take it.
Hey, well, Noah has been spending a lot of time. If you follow him on Facebook and Twitter, you can keep up with what he's up to. But he's been talking about how he's been writing for a while, and now he's in LA recording. Mm-hmm. Exciting.
Yeah, he's been out there for about 3 weeks, so we're ready for him to come home. He's doing a lot of writing. Went out there just to record, but he always gets carried away and starts writing when he gets out there. And I guess the atmosphere kind of gets to him, and so he's written some more what we hope are really good things, and probably going to put some of those on the album too. But it's a fun time.
When you're putting an album together, like, do they have sort of a timeline? Is there any guess when we will be able to buy and download this guy's music?
We had hoped about a year ago, but so much has happened, and his management has been really wise in kind of putting the brakes on occasionally and saying, hey, got a lot of new music that's really good. Let's not jump the gun. Let's take our time, make sure this is as good as it can be. And so it's been really good to be patient, because it's only gotten better. I really, really feel like he's writing his best stuff now, and he knows who he is more. The music he's writing now is really Noah, and he's really proud of that, and I'm proud of that for him.
That's exciting. Now, David Guthrie, I don't know if I introduced him properly, is Noah's dad, who actually had an album yourself in the 70s?
Back in the olden days.
In the olden days?
When they were on actual vinyl.
Yes, the real, the turntables and everything. But I'm interested to know, from your perspective, watching your son go through this process of writing and creating music right now, comparing it to like the good old days, how different is it?
Noah and my other son Ian, they're so much more students of music than I was. I wasn't nearly as dedicated, not nearly as talented, and didn't really know the business at that age the way Noah does, for example. At 18, he's got so many more years of knowledge than I had in my 20s and even 30s. So I think overall the industry, there's more information available. Now, with being able to virtually put an album out without a record label, which you couldn't do when I was doing it. You either were on a label, and that represented success, or you were completely unsigned and unheard.
Right, unheard, more importantly, right?
Yeah, and now that's totally different. A lot of artists can do very well without ever signing a record label contract, and that's opened a whole new world to a lot more artists to get out there.
And where are we with Noah? Is he signed to anyone? Is there anybody pursuing him, or what's happening with that?
There are talks. His management he has a management contract, and he has a booking contract, and no kind of record label contract yet, and we're kind of taking our time on that. There are some companies interested, and they're talking back and forth, but it's not the be-all, end-all that it used to be.
Right,
so, we're trying to weigh the options, which is the better way to get his music out and protect his music and protect what he wants to do as an artist and a songwriter, too.
Well, some of the things that dads do when their sons are trying to make it big in the music industry, and really Noah's not about that. Noah really just wants to play his songs, write his songs, and perform his songs. Because he said that from the very beginning when we interviewed him over a year ago. But you also are behind the scenes, like, helping out. Like, I think of the viral video that many of you have seen of the Sexy and I Know It song, and then the response from the public that came in. And I know I talked to David here at the coffee shop, because he was sitting here answering all the emails, helping Noah to try to respond to people. It was incredible, like the magnitude of
it's nuts.
Public.
I never dreamed people respond to the degree that they do. We had one point where his Hotmail inbox had 197,000 messages in the inbox. There's no possible way to manage that.
Yeah.
So we kept trying to clear them, and he and I and my wife Lori would go through and we'd do everything we could to clear them, and
Yeah.
we'd work 2-3 hours. By the time we'd finish, we'd have several
As many
thousand
more.
more. Yeah.
I remember you being in here one day and going, I just did all this and now there's more. You know,
Yeah.
it's like, whoa. It's interesting though, but it shows how it really does take like this sort of support network of your family, you know, to kind of keep you going through a process like this.
It does, and so many of the messages are things they aren't, you know, the personal messages, things like that. Noah handles.
Sure.
He enjoys that.
Absolutely.
But the other side of it, you know, how do we book you here? How do we do
Yeah.
this? Just needed to be routed, and
Yeah.
it takes so much time.
Yeah.
So it takes, at that time, 2 or 3 of us to do that. Now, you know, that video's kind of calmed down.
Right.
It's more manageable now.
Right.
But
that will change.
well,
I think
from your mouth to God's
predict
ears.
I predict that will be changing again, you know. But you've had a taste of like the craziness of it, and I think it's just exciting. How is he reacting to all of this? Is it has it sunk in? I mean, does it feel real, or does it seem like he's in a dream?
Noah is the most chill kid.
Really?
He does not.
He's not overly impressed?
No, I mean, he's having a ball. I mean,
Yeah.
he's enjoying it.
Sure.
But he's not. You know, he's still just Noah, and
Yeah.
that's what I'm glad he's that way. But he's not. He realizes too how shallow some of that is, and you know, all of a sudden, all these people that frankly wouldn't give him time of day a couple of years ago are now suddenly best friends.
Right.
You know, and he gets that, and you know, appreciates that people enjoy what he's doing, but he knows it's, you know, tomorrow they'll be listening to somebody else
Right,
too. So
right,
and that's
right.
great.
Well, we're excited for him and love getting these updates. So when I catch you at the coffee bar, we'll get you updated on Noah's situation and how it's going for him. Thank you.
Thank you.
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
And I know you're
Appreciate it.
proud.
I am.
We're
I
proud
am.
too.
Thank you.
Proud of all of you. Great.
Thanks for your support.
You bet.